Hey there everyone, we love bringing the outdoors in. Natural elements bring warmth to a space. DIY projects let you express your creativity. Today we're making a minimalist wooden lamp. It's easier than you think. Let's get started. This project is perfect for beginners. You'll be amazed at what you can create. Get ready for a fun and rewarding experience. Your home will have a touch of handmade charm. For this project, we'll be using simple materials. You can find most of them at your local hardware store. We want to be sustainable. Look for reclaimed wood for the base. Choose a light wood like pine or birch. You'll need a lamp kit with a cord and bulb. Don't forget sandpaper for smoothing the wood. A clear wood finish will protect and enhance the wood's natural beauty. Choose an LED bulb for energy efficiency. Start by sanding your wood piece until smooth. Sanding ensures a polished look. It also prepares the wood for finishing. Next, follow the lamp kit instructions. You'll be attaching the kit to the wood base. Apply a clear wood finish to your lamp base. This will protect the wood and enhance its natural grain. Let it dry completely before adding the lampshade. Finally, add a lampshade of your choice. Congratulations! You've created your own minimalist wooden lamp. Doesn't it look amazing? It's the perfect addition to any room. Imagine the warm glow it will cast. DIY projects are so satisfying. You put your heart into making something beautiful. Plus, you get to enjoy the fruits of your labor every day, so go ahead, treat yourself to that handmade happiness.